gonna show you how I fold my clothes and my socks. Do you know the secret is? The secret is my mama will shout me if I don't fold my clothes properly and my wardrobe clean. So I thought to make fold my clothes and show you. My mama is taking the shoot. Sorry, mama. I'll tell you a secret. Then let's start. So I have to push it and fold it. So I'll fold the corners first. I'll fold from here. Shot. And these are my night dresses. Oh my God, this is big. Mama, will you help me? Sequence work, I'll put it inside. Too much of God, I don't like Frocks too. I'll put it in hanger because it will get dirty. Mama, subscribe to our channel.